This machine right here, I've already unboxed it, charged it, and put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. So let me take it out and show you exactly what you get when you order one of these machines. Number one, the instructions come flying out, but I've already read the instructions, so we will not be needing those. And how cool, how to maximize packaging. Look at how nice this packaging is so perfect. They have maximized this packaging to the T. And let's take this out. So here's the unit itself, or actually USB-C cable for charging, which is a fast charger. These are like the mat pads, and this is the diffuser fluid. And I will show you how to set all this up. And just to show you the unit itself here, what you got here, you have an on and off switch here. That's on when it's over that way. You're gonna hit this button once, hold it down for 1.5 seconds. You see the light just came on. Hold it again. That is a second mode. There's 2 gear modes that they have on this. One gear mode uses the pad and diffuser fluid, and then the second one will use just the diffuser fluid. So there's 2 ways of using this stuff. And there's where the charge port is right there for the USB-C cable. And to take it apart, you're just gonna pull on the top. It's together actually pretty stout feeling. The battery unit is encased there, and you can see where the diffuser fluid goes. So let me go ahead and turn this off, and I'm gonna show y'all. You get these pads here, so look at the amount of pads you get. So I'm just gonna open one up right there. I'm gonna take that pad right here, slide it in just like that, and it goes in pretty stout. It's like, once it's locked in, that is not coming out of there. You almost have to push it off. Take your fluid, you screw that in like that. All right, now that I have the pad installed and the diffuser fluid in there, they're claiming that this goes up to 280 before a refill on this fluid right here. And each pad, which you get 18 pads, is 6 hours a piece. So you wanna go ahead and put the base back on, lock that in, turn it on, hold that down for 1.5 seconds, boom, right there. That is on. So right now it's using the number 1, the gear 1, and it takes about 10 minutes before you're going to start seeing an effect of this. So there's no way I can really test that. I do have mosquitoes here, but the only thing I can do is put this out and let it go. And I'm telling you guys, these things work extremely well. I highly recommend one of these for anybody that's got outdoor, that's gonna be camping, that's gonna be fishing, or just around the backyard, and you just wanna keep one with you. You can set this down, and this creates a 20-foot barrier around wherever you're gonna be at. And it's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about butane and all that, continue to buying. You can have these pads, so as long as you got the pads and the refill fluid, you should be good to go. It's kind of like a minty type odor. I can feel a little heat coming out of the top. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the, little Q5 rechargeable mosquito machine. Let's get out of here. Let's see you guys in the next video. Woo!